Today, a Nebraska WoodSTR, this is why you have to think ahead. I'll tell you. Here we go. Hey WoodSTRs, this is Mike. Well, as you can see behind me here, we are in the shop and we are going to make some bundles and continue on with the wall of wood. Here this last week, we got that thing completely empty and got another firewood rack set up next to her, and we're going to fill that wall up or start working on filling that wall up. So heard in the intro, we got to be thinking ahead here. So you guys have been following me, know that I've got a shot coming up for a bulge disc that'll probably 85% chance that'll turn into surgery. And if it does do surgery, the first 6 weeks is 10 to 15 pounds. Me and Mama WoodSTR started weighing some of them bundles, and guess what? 15 pounds, right at it. Some a little over, some a little less. And Doc said, if you jack around too much, you're gonna deal with this the rest of your life. So first 6 weeks, we don't get to play with those. And it's probably 10 to 15 pounds every once in a while. Not handling those things 3 or 4 times over the course of a couple of days filling stands. So like I've said, I've got a ton of IOUs that's going to happen after about 13 weeks of this deal. Week 7 through 12 weeks, I can do 25 pounds. None of those bundles are 25, and if they are, they're too wet, and I should be slapped around a little bit. But anyway, today we're going to start building on that. We got to think ahead. So I've got to have quite a few bundles put together so I don't have to ask friends and family to come make bundles of wood every evening. And so we're going to try and build up that inventory. You know, in the firewood business, we all think ahead a lot. You think about what you want to sell 1 year from today and get it stacking. So this isn't nothing new. I just want to get ahead as far as I can, get as far into the 6 weeks as I possibly can without having to ask for a bunch of favors that I'm going to have to repay probably tenfold. So we're going to get after bundles here between now and surgery date, whenever that is. Today we're still waiting on the insurance company to approve the shot. So no, we at least have 7 days here to stay after it here. So this paperweight that you see right there, it's still good, not good for a lot. So no lifting. You can almost see, I can start to see a little bit of the muscle decay already, but hell, enough of my problems. We all got problems, right? Anyway, today we got some bigger firewood. So as we got out of some bundle grade that I had bought from that old boy that we bought some of his equipment, this stuff here is going to be a little bit bigger. Some of the stuff that goes into campfire that's not going to be perfect, it's going to be needing a resplit. So we're going to grab what we can, run it through the bundlers, set off the stuff that needs to be resplit, and I'm going to bring you the DR today. The professional grade. Okay, I have a Wolf Ridge. I've watched the Easton-Maids. Those are professional grades. DR, not professional grade. But this is going to be my resplit machine. I bought that from the old boy getting out of the business. So we're going to set some of the bigger stuff off to the side and run that kinetic electric splitter here in the shop. So anyway, she has gotten to about 90 degrees today. So see the fans right up there? Whoop. The best one is right there. So strategically, thinking ahead, again, what we do in the firewood business, you place your bundle maker right underneath the fan where you're going to catch some air. So the sun is back setting. It's behind the tree back there. So at least it's not blaring in here and cooking us to death. So anyway, enough yapping, enough of my problems. Let's make wood. Here we go. Well, there you go. The little electric DR professional grade. Got to be pretty straight stuff, pretty small stuff. You're not going to get into any of that big knotty stuff anyway. That's just not happening. That thing is re-splitter. It's quick. Kind of gets jammed up a little bit there, makes a bunch of noise. And but one thing I did learn with this thing, it's got a safety trigger on it. I won't show you, but I'm going to see if I can rig that up so I don't have to use that each time. So I can still have, you know, probably my hand in the wrong spot, but we'll see what we get done there. But anyway, kind of get the program there. We're going to get some of that bigger stuff and get it chunked down into more manageable more manageable bundle wood, and keep piling away. So as you can see here, we've got the wall is starting to grow. So I'm hoping here by the time next time I come to you, that whole wall is full of wood. So anyway, the one-armed firewood guy, the paperweight, and yeah, we're looking ahead. We got to get ahead of the bundles by, I'm not going to get 6 weeks worth, I guarantee you that. But if I can get 4 or 5 of those, boy, that's going to make a few smiles on the folks' face when I don't happen to have them come up here and make bundles every night. So anyway, trying to stay ahead of her. But that's what we do in the firewood business. You're always kind of a visionary. You're looking out a year ahead. Tonight, we're looking out 6 to 12 weeks ahead. And so hopefully we keep after it. We've probably got a week or so here before I get my shot, and that wears off and doesn't work, and we go into surgery time. Hopefully that wall is full, and I'll feel a little bit better as I'm sitting around and turning into pure management and supervision role. And everybody's been really good at offering to help up at this point in time. So we'll see how long that lasts before that starts to run out. But I got good friends, good family. They're going to help me out wherever I need it, as long as I ask. I'm just terrible at asking. So, but this first 6 weeks, we're going to make damn sure we do everything right, because I don't want to fight this the rest of my adult life. So anyway, hey, thanks for coming along. Thanks for your support. And you're going to see different content, and we'll see you on the flip side.